Welcome to our channel. Today, we invite you into the delicious and refreshing world of no-bake lemon cheesecakes. This recipe is perfect for hot summer days or any occasion when you crave a light and creamy dessert. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this simple and quick treat. In this video, we will show you step-by-step how to prepare a melt-in-your-mouth no-bake lemon cheesecake. No oven needed, just a few simple ingredients and a bit of patience while it chills in the refrigerator. Essential ingredients: cream cheese, the creamy base of our cheesecake. Whipped cream, for a light and airy texture. Fresh lemon juice, for an irresistible tangy touch. Graham crackers, for a crunchy and flavorful crust. Example: we will use fresh lemon juice for an authentic taste that enhances every bite. Preparation techniques: how to prepare the graham cracker crust. How to properly incorporate the cream cheese and whipped cream. Tips for a perfectly smooth and lump-free cheesecake. Example: we will show you how to beat the cream cheese until it reaches a velvety texture. Customization: add lemon zest for a burst of flavor. Experiment with fresh fruits or a berry coulis for a colorful touch. Benefits of watching: by following this video, you will learn not only how to make a no-bake lemon cheesecake, but also master cooking techniques that will serve you in many other recipes.